Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to generate more income. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just increase your overall income, there are many ways to make more money. Here are 10 methods you can use to generate more income. Method 1. Sell items online. One of the easiest ways to make extra cash is to sell items you no longer need or want. You can use online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace to sell items such as clothes, electronics, or furniture. Method 2. Freelance work. If you have a particular skill or talent, you can offer your services on freelance websites like Fiverr or Upwork. You can do anything from writing and editing to graphic design or web development. Method 3. Rent out a room. If you have a spare room in your house, you can rent it out on websites like Airbnb. This can be a great way to earn extra income and make more friends, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination. Method 4. Drive for Uber or Lyft. If you have a car, you can earn extra money by driving for ride-sharing companies like Uber or Lyft. You can choose your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. Method 5. Tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services to students. You can advertise your services online or through local schools or community centers. Method 6. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, you can offer pet sitting or dog walking services to people in your community. You can use websites like Rover to find clients and set your own rates. Method 7. Virtual assistant. If you're organized and have strong administrative skills, you can offer virtual assistant services to businesses or individuals. You can manage email, schedule appointments, and perform other tasks from the comfort of your own home. Method 8. Invest in stocks. If you have some extra cash to invest, you can try your hand at stock trading. You can use online brokers like Robinhood or E-Trade to buy and sell stocks. Method 9. Rent out your car. If you have a car that you don't use very often, you can rent it out on websites like Turo. This can be a great way to earn extra income without having to do any work. Method 10. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or social media following, you can earn money through affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. So there you have it, 10 methods for generating more income. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or want to turn a side hustle into a full-time job, there are many ways to increase your income. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more informative content.